Festivals are not just events. They are vibrant celebrations of culture, art, music, and life itself. Around the world, countless festivals bring people together to immerse themselves in the beauty of diverse traditions and creative expressions. In this video, we will embark on a global tour to explore the top 10 festival experiences that promise an unforgettable journey filled with music, color, and the pure joy of life. 1. Rio Carnival, Brazil, a samba spectacle. The Rio Carnival is the epitome of Brazilian festivity. Held annually in Rio de Janeiro, this extravaganza features samba parades, elaborate costumes, and sizzling dance performances. It's a wild and joyful celebration of life. 2. Diwali, India, the Festival of Lights. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is one of India's most significant celebrations. Cities across the country come alive with the glow of oil lamps, colorful Rangoli art, and the sound of fireworks. It's a time for family gatherings and the triumph of good over evil. 3. Mardi Gras, New Orleans, USA. Let the good times roll. Mardi Gras in New Orleans is a high-spirited celebration with parades, beads, and revelry. It's a unique blend of Cajun, Creole, and French culture, making it a one-of-a-kind festival experience. 4. Oktoberfest, Munich, Germany, a beer lover's paradise. Oktoberfest in Munich is the world's largest beer festival, attracting millions of visitors each year. Raise a stein, savor German cuisine, and join in the lively music and dancing. 5. Holi, India, the Festival of Colors. Holi is a spring festival in India known for its vibrant color-throwing celebrations. It's a time for laughter, dancing, and merrymaking, as people splash each other with colorful powders. 6. La Tomatina, Buñol, Spain, Tomato Fight Fiesta. La Tomatina is an annual tomato throwing festival in Buñol, Spain. Thousands gather to engage in a friendly tomato fight, covering the streets in red pulp. 7. Carnival of Venice, Italy, elegance and intrigue. The Carnival of Venice is known for its elaborate masks and costumes. Stroll along the canals of Venice and marvel at the stunning attire worn by revelers during this iconic event. 8. Rioja Wine Harvest Festival, Spain, wine and revelry. The Rioja Wine Harvest Festival celebrates the grape harvest in La Rioja, Spain. Enjoy wine tastings, traditional food, and join in the grape stomping festivities. 9. La Fête de l'Escalade, Geneva, Switzerland, historic reenactment. La Fête de l'Escalade commemorates a historic event in Geneva. The festival features a colorful parade, bonfires, and a historic reenactment of a night when the city defended itself from an invasion. 10. Chinese New Year, worldwide, a global celebration. Chinese New Year, also known as Spring Festival, is celebrated worldwide in Chinese communities. It's a time of dragon and lion dances, fireworks, family gatherings, and traditional foods. These top 10 festival experiences around the world are a testament to the diversity of human celebration. They offer a chance to immerse yourself in the vibrancy of different cultures, savor unique traditions, and celebrate the joy of life. Whether you're dancing the samba in Rio, splashing colors during Holi in India, or raising a beer stein at Oktoberfest in Munich, each festival promises an unforgettable journey of music, culture, and pure, unadulterated celebration. So, pack your bags, immerse yourself in the local customs, and join in the festivities, because the world's top festivals are waiting for you to create unforgettable memories.